Good morning, students. Welcome to all of you in online class. Students, as you know that today will be grammar syllabus, grammar session. So, students, today I will teach you what is notice. So, today's topic will be notice. So, students, do you know what is a notice? The definition of notice will be a such type a notice is a written a notice is a written or printed information that printed or information that can be form of can be form of an official statement of public importance or a warning in advance or a warning in advance. So students, this is the definition of notice. It is notice is a written or printed information that can be form of an official statement of public importance or a warning in advance. There are types of notice. First one is notice for meeting, notice for meeting. Second one is notice for event, notice for event like competition, like celebration, annual sport, annual sport, cultural festival, cultural festival, such type, or you can say winter carnival, etc. The third type notice is notice for lost or found. If anything you have lost or you have found, for this purpose you have to write a notice, then you have to use this format. Next one is notice for tour, notice for tour, fair, exhibition, campaign, seminar, workshop, debate, such type. The next is notice for appeal, notice for appeal, notice for warning, appeal, warning, guideline, message in public interest. And sixth type notice is notice for change residence, company, residence, company, bank account, timing, such type notice are also written. So students, now we will discuss what is the format of a notice. So students, be careful and pay attention on the video. The format of notice, first of all, you have to write institute name. First of all, we have to write institute name. After that, you have to write notice, word notice in capital letter. In the left hand side, you have to write date. Date will be such type. Today is 19 October 2021. And after that, what is the topic of notice? You have to write topic. After that, you have to start notice. Content of notice will be start from here, and at the end, signatory sign is compulsory. So students, there is a need of signatory या अथॉरिटी साइन, अथॉरिटी के साइन होने चाहिए. स्टूडेंट्स, द होल नोटिस विल बी in the box. So students, this was the format of notice. Now we will going to write a notice that is related to that particular question. If there is a sport program in your school, question will be such type: you are Ashish sport in charge of AVM senior secondary school. There is a sport competition in your school, so write a notice to the student, to the senior student who want to participate in a sport competition. Enroll your name to the sport in charge. Students, question will be such type, then you have to write a notice on this purpose. So student, according to the format of notice, first of all you have to write the name of institution. The name of institution is AVM Senior Secondary School. After that, you have to write word notice in capital letter. After that, in the left hand side, you have to write date 19 October 2021. Now you have to write the topic of notice. Topic of notice is sport competition. Sport competition. From the new line, you can start your writing notice. content will be such type: all students are informed that your school is going to organize a sport competition in school premises. The students who want to participate in sport competition enroll your name to the sport in charge of your school. After that, you have to write sign of the authority. Authority sign principal or sport in charge. Write your name, what is given in your question paper, Ashish. The whole notice will be in the box. Students, this is the format, definition, format, and finally I have written a notice. So students, pay attention in this format and notice and try to understand. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care of you.